Hello and welcome to my craft room. This is Angie with thecountrysheetcottage.net and we're here today with another great craft video. So let's get started making our project for today. Today we're going to make a printable burlap banner for a party. You're going to need scissors, a hole punch, some twine, and of course your printed banner pieces. Here I've printed these on white cardstock, so you want something a little bit thicker than regular white copy paper. And I've designed these to fit on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper so you can get the largest flags possible 4 to a sheet. Now, if you want to use these with Cricut Print and Cut, you will need to import it into Design Space and then size it down to fit that maximum size area, which means each of your flags will be smaller. But you can skip this portion with cutting them out with scissors. And as you can see, I like to leave a small white border around each of my flags, and then I use a hole punch just to punch the holes into each one. Again, if you're using your Cricut, you could draw those holes in Design Space and it could do that portion of the project for you. Then all that's left is just string your banner pieces in order with the twine in the color of your choice. Now here I'm making an eat banner for the food table at the party, but you can literally make this say anything you want. We have each of the letters of the alphabet, and you can put them in whatever order you would like and spell any type of banner for your rustic wedding, rustic party, rustic baby shower, wedding shower, that type of thing. So here we have eat, and then I also have a gifts banner. So be sure to grab the free printable banner pieces at thecountrysheetcottage.net and start printing your burlap banner flags for your party. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you will make the project that you saw today. If you loved this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. You'll also want to head over to our YouTube channel, as we have tons of creative videos that you might love using a Cricut machine and other crafty videos as well. You'll want to subscribe while you're there so you don't miss any of our new videos. You can also ask any questions that you have about anything we've covered today in the comment section below, and we will get to those as soon as we can because we love comments. Thank y'all so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.